Hi guys, welcome back. And today's video is how to make an ebook cover in Canva. If you want to make an online book, you will definitely need an ebook cover. Yeah, to make an online book. So of COVID-19, we can go to the bookstore. So most of the people are making online book and selling on online. Yeah, if you want to do just like them, you will definitely need an ebook cover. If you want to make a very easy and simple ebook cover, you will definitely need Canva, because Canva is the best thing to make. You can make YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, and this is, of course, this is tutorial 4. If you haven't checked out tutorial 1, tutorial 2, and tutorial 3, go and check it out. Yeah, so you can check it first, and yeah, Canva can like YouTube thumbnail and everything. I got logo, YouTube thumbnail, and YouTube icon video. Yeah. So, but this video is just for Canva. But if you want to check out these tutorials also, I'll put in the description box below. Yeah, so let's get started. Oh, before we start, I will give you 5 seconds to smash subscribers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? Okay, so let's get started. So if you go to Canva, you will see like this. Yeah, what is that? Okay, you will see like this. And before you use it, you need to sign up and log into Canva. So these are all the things you can find. Like you can make like poster, infographic, presentation, worksheet. Yeah, this social media one. This is events category. You can find also category from there. Yeah, and from these category, you need to find not infographic. Ebook cover. Yeah. So you need to find ebook cover. So we're gonna delete it because this is like a little missing one. Yeah, you need to find an ebook cover. So this is the ebook cover size. This is the right size. Don't worry. This is the right ebook cover size. Everything in Canva, everything you can make, just not ebook cover, you can make like YouTube thumbnail, everything are fit and definitely the perfect size. Don't worry about the size. Just think about how you can design and how you can make a perfect ebook cover. Yeah, so you can use it in line books as well. And this is very good to use. If you finish sign and login, you can go into this. Yeah, this is the web. This is the screen that you're putting these things on it. And you go. This is templates, and for templates, you can use like these are already made. You can fix them. Yeah, that's good. So if you didn't want to waste time, but we're doing blank from this time. So this is upload. This you can upload your own search from Google or any internet browser from your file. So this is photos. These are all the photos. You can also use these and you can also search. And I missed to tell you guys something. Canva have 2 versions, pro version and free version. So free version is like free, and pro version, like if it's like song, radio, it will like $3, but like these things, it will just like $1. But if you want to buy all of these, then maybe I don't know what is the price, but you can also buy all of these things or just one. Yeah, just if you would just want to use just one, you can use just for $1. Okay, $1. Yeah, so first thing you will definitely need is, so this is like things. So these are the things. You will definitely need these, like to decorate. You can also search from here. Tags. You can add heading tags or already tags. These are already tags. Very nice tags. So this is the sound one. Some of them are pro and some of them are free. Some of them are free. You can also search from this. And these are videos. Yeah. So probably like a second video. And some of them are pro and some of them are free. You can also search from here. This is background. You can make color background by yourself. What is this? Okay, so, and you can also choose from these background. Yeah, for ebook cover, I think these backgrounds are more better than color background, but you can design by yourself by using your brain, okay? Not just like me. If you want to do just like me, that's okay. You can just change the title maybe. Yeah, but I'm not making a bookstore. Oh, yeah, I just want to show you guys how you can use it, but it is very simple and easy. Yeah, so let's start making ebook cover. So for ebook cover, of the background, I'll use this C. This is absolutely very nice. Yeah, you can use anything, remember. And then we're going to search like beach in here. And then we're going to find like this logo. I really want it. And then we're going to make it like shrink it or bigger. You can also delete it. I think that is a lot more better. And for text, we're going to add a heading text. So now you can decorate by yourself and everything, or you can do it by yourself with your brain. But what I want to show is how you can use it very easy. I just want to show you guys how you can use it very quickly and easy. I didn't want to show you guys that you can also make just like me, but I just want to show you guys how you can make it by yourself. You can think more than me. You can make better than me. So this is the thing. So I'm not making a bookstore or selling an ebook cover. I just want to show you guys. So I'm not making a special thing. I just want to show you guys, okay? But you can do better than me. So for the title, we will definitely need like a story or the book title. We're gonna do a C. Okay. What is it? Okay, the C. Then we're gonna add it under these. That's perfect. And you can also change the text color, but I'm not changing. If you watch other videos, you can also know how to change it. Yeah. So this is like, this is like very easy to use in Canva. So my ebook cover is finished. You can make your own. You can design more prettier than me or nicer than me. Yeah. But right now, the important thing is you need to download it. If you didn't download it, it's not safe and you can use it. So you definitely need to press download, and you can also use Pro version to download for more good quality of your ebook cover. I will just press download. And you need to wait until it's finished download, and this is not very long time to download. Yeah, just a few seconds, and then you will see your ebook cover in here, and this like this. If you see like this, you can close it. This does not mean you delete it, okay? Like, this does not mean you delete it. And then you can save to go to anywhere you want it to. You can close your computer or, yeah. You can close your computer or device, any device. Yeah, but the thing, you must download it. If you didn't download, it will not save. Yeah, you can find it in your folder and files. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you should not miss any of my videos. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.